Hi everyone, welcome back today. I'll be walking you through how to assemble your Charweek Solar Rechargeable Fan quickly and correctly. If this is your first time setting it up, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get started. Basically, all the parts needs to be complete for the setup, and that is why I started with unboxing to know what and what is in my package. One beautiful thing about me is that there's always a beautiful thing about me in all my videos. And today's specialty is my curiosity and inquisitiveness, a willing spirit to learn or try new things. Now, I'm removing all the parts from their coverings, and I chose to start with my stand, which will carry the fan itself. Just like our legs help maintain balance while standing, the stand has to be assembled firmly without neglecting that you should be careful since we are dealing with fragile parts. The new stage is joining the engine to the back outer part, which I did. Then I joined the blade, knotted it. Everyone knows how dangerous the blades of fan are, which is why there's a necessity we have to cover the front too. In doing that, there's a need for observation. A screw is attached to connect both the front and the back parts. That I also did carefully so that there won't be any mistake. Mind you, in any process that is not done carefully, it might tend to affect the other assembly we have done so far. The next stage is to connect the link between the head and the stand, followed by the end-to-end wiring before the fan can work or start. This part is crucial, so I took my time. Then I fixed the solar panel's handle for easy transportation. The fan is all set and we need to confirm if it is well assembled or not. And how do we confirm that? By testing to know if it is charging or not, and if it is charging, trying to on it to know maybe it will pop up or not. And ta-da! It worked. I was able to assemble a fan for the very first time due to my curiosity. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful and productive, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!